How to create and save color gradients in Wix Studio. In order to do that, head over right here into your site styles. And then from in there, you can see in here this. We have in here the colors, the typography, as well as a lot more. So what we can do is we can head over and then choosing here one color that we want to actually edit. For example, let's edit in here this color 12. Can click on that, and in here we can see the color picker for RGB, HSB, and the likes. However, what we do not have is the gradient option. So what we can do is we can just select in here what part of the page we want to actually select or change the color. I have in here this particular section. Just head over and click onto that section and then open your inspector. Now from in there, we have in here this. So we have the design options, we have the shadows, the layout, overflow, as well as the likes. For this case, just head over and choose in here this. Just click onto the background and then it should be able to open our wheel. So you can see that we have in here gradient options. It can be linear as well as in here this case. So you can choose which kind of gradient you want to use. And then you can save it by clicking onto these three dots and copying this CSS snippet. So that's how you create and save color gradients in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.